Good morning, guys. I'm starting off my afternoon making tomato jam. So this is just tomatoes for now. And I prepared all the other stuff, brown sugar, lemon zest, ginger, and lemon juice in here. I'm following this recipe. Hopefully it's good, but I also have another recipe kind of on my iPad, but just for the canning part of it. So I'm gonna be putting them into these mason jars. So I gotta prepare these first. I don't know how much this is gonna make. That's the problem. So I don't know. It says it's gonna make a pint for this one recipe, and a pint is 16 ounces, but I don't know. It looks like a lot more tomatoes than this.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want.
So I'm still working on my tomato jam. It is looking so good. It's definitely getting thicker, which is what it's supposed to do. And I already prepared my jars over there. So they're pretty much ready for the tomato jam as soon as this is done. And I hope I'm doing it right. I don't know. I mean, we'll see. And apparently the jam is good like as soon as it's off the stove top, but they also said it's even better after a few weeks. So we'll see. We'll see how this turns out. I'm looking forward to trying it though. And if this works out well, then canning is actually really super duper easy. Never done it before, my first time, and I hope I'm doing it right. But if I am, then it's super easy. Okay, some of my jam is canning. This is some great jam. Wow, I need my babe to try this. This is so good. I think babe approves. Had him try it. He hates tomatoes, guys. He does not eat tomatoes. Usually only in like a sauce and not with any chunks. So the fact that he even tried this, he like licked it and then went back for like a whole actual bunch. He said it doesn't taste like tomatoes, but it tastes like a sweet jelly. So that's a win in my book. Yep, I think that's great. I told babe to go get some more tomatoes tomorrow because we got the tomatoes from his parents' house, but his parents are away, and so he told us to use the tomatoes, and I need 2 pounds of tomatoes for every like 1 pint of jelly. So I was only able to get like 2 small little mason jars out of this. But this is great. I'm very happy with how this turned out. My sister made me some homemade marshmallows when I was at her house yesterday. And guys, these are so good. I love just eating them plain just to snack on. And the best part is that they're good for you. It's not like marshmallow. It's like made with chicken broth, I think, or some kind of broth that she also makes. And yeah, they're good for you. Okay guys, I think this is done. I heard a popping noise. And here's the test. This isn't supposed to move, even though mine's still moving. Why is it moving? Why are they unpopping? That one seems good. Maybe this one has less jam. I mean, it doesn't move once you press down. I don't understand. It's been in there already a lot longer than it was supposed to. It's supposed to be 10 minutes. I mean, I think it's okay. I think it's sealed now. I don't know anything. I'm working on making some rice pudding now. Babe absolutely loves rice pudding. Okay. He loves rice pudding, so that's what I'm doing. I'll link this recipe for you guys because I've made it a couple of times now. And it's a really good recipe. So if you guys have an Instant Pot and you want to make some rice pudding, give it a try. I also stopped by my sister's house earlier, and I'm just gonna talk while I'm doing this. But I stopped by her house earlier and I dropped off the tomato jam, guys, and she said it tastes good. Jayden didn't want to try it. He's gotten a little bit picky with food lately. And then when John got home, which is my brother-in-law, he didn't want to try it either. He's like, tomato jam, no thanks. And I'm like, dude, just try it. Like, don't dismiss it before you try it. Because my fiance did the same thing, like tomatoes, like what? But then they both tried it and they both liked it. And John was like, wow, you made this? This is really good. So I'm gonna link the tomato jam recipe for you guys also, in case you guys want to make that, because it literally is. It's like really, really good. So definitely try that out. I'm following a recipe for the rice pudding, which I could link down below. Okay, I added the sugar. Now set it to saute. Okay. And now I have to add some milk. Most of the milk, but not all of it. Okay. And stir. Okay. Then I gotta crack 2 eggs. Oh, into the rest of the half a cup. Let me get 2 eggs, guys. All right, so I'm guessing the 2 eggs go in this thing. Oh, UPS is here. I also started looking online. So when I was at my sister's house, she was getting ready to get me sourdough starter. And I've been wanting to make sourdough bread, but I just need a million more things before I do that. Like I'm trying to like see you guys. Like I need to get bread flour and white whole wheat flour and unbleached all-purpose flour. And then I need a Dutch oven, a basket. Okay, hold on guys, they're knocking. This is so exciting, guys. So at the door, my faucet board came in from Creative Learning Co. They do boards for the sensory table from IKEA, and they make different boards, and I got a faucet board. They released it a couple months ago and they've sold out since. So I ordered this one a couple of months ago. I was the first one at, I think it was at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time that they released it. And it sold out within minutes again. After that was their 3rd release. So I was happy to get one. And it just arrived because it was also kind of like a pre-order. All right, here's my egg. Okay, I'm still sauteing this. Ooh, okay, so saute. Anyway, so I gotta get a basket and a score thingy for sourdough bread and a glass jar, and I just need some things in order to make the sourdough bread. I definitely want to do it. I've been dying to make it. I just need to get some things in order to do that. Okay, so crack 2 eggs and mix thoroughly to avoid lumps. Slowly pour the mixture into the rice while whisking or stirring. Okay, Yeah, because it's hot. All right, so 5 minutes, just stirring this until it thickens up. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's all that's going on here. Just making rice pudding. I've been in the kitchen all day. Haven't done any crafting yet today. So after this, once I put this in the fridge to cool down, I will do some crafting after that. Just getting to my sister's house. I am watching Jayden today. Why is it blurry? All right, so I hear Ollie already. Oh, you're gonna hurt my feet, my legs. Oh, hello. Hello.
Welcome.
Hi, Dad. Whoa, hi, Jayden. Woo.
Ollie.
And Ollie, who's jumping up like crazy. I missed it. Can you show me? Is it? Oh, I see it. Is it bubbling?
Yeah, bubbling.
Do it again. Is it coming?
Yeah.
It's coming?
Yeah.
Is it bubbling?
Yeah.
Is it gonna come out up top?
Yeah.
Is it gonna explode?
Yeah, which one's the regular tea?
The one that says regular?
Oh my god, why is this so difficult?
Ooh! Whoa! Wow! That was a good one.
See this isn't decaf.
Maybe that's the one. I don't know.
Who see that?
I do! It's coming! It's coming!
It's decaf.
Good job. Good job.
Who see that?
I do. Do we need more baking soda? Show me how you score. Oh, almost there.
Thank you. Thank you.
You guys score? Oh, wrong way.
Go away. I got it.
Okay, go score. Woo!
What?
I got it. Here you go. Here you go. Score. Woo! Goldie! Got a goal?
I got it.
You got it.